Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll teach you how to make turmeric powder. So this is the turmeric I have here. I'm going to go ahead and wash it in a bowl of water, like I'm doing here. So that's the same thing you do. You wash it properly to remove all the dirt and all those things around the body. So that's what you keep doing. Then at this point I'm going to slice it like this. I'm going to use my knife and slice the turmeric to this shape and size. I'm going to put it under the sun. After this, I'm spreading it now so that they won't be together, they will be spaced out. So, and know that when you touch turmeric, your hand is going to be yellow for a very long time. So I put the tray under the sun to dry up. This is the second day. It's already dried up like this. So this is what you get when you put it under the sun. It shrinks and it becomes so dry, like what you see in this video. So you keep drying it every day, put it under hot sun. To check if it's dried up fully, you try breaking it. If it breaks, then it's getting ready for you to grind it. So that's what you keep doing every day till you can see that it's very dry. I brought it out under the sun the next day and it looks very dry. So I put it in my blender and I start blending. You keep blending it till it becomes smooth and it doesn't have lumps. Now it's still having some lumps, so I put it back in the blender to blend again. It's still blending because I want it to be fine and I want it to be in a powdered form. Keep checking it from time to time till you get your desired result. So I just checked it and it doesn't look that fine, so I put it back in the blender again to blend. So I blended it for about, let me say, 20 minutes, which I was in the middle of that. I was checking it to see if I've gotten what I wanted. So that's what you keep doing over there. You keep checking and blending. So I bring it out again to check. It looked close to what I want. It looks good, so I'll just package it like that. I've blended it enough and it looks fine in my eye. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos that I will be posting.